Oh my gosh, you guys. Wow, this is something else. This is giving it to the girls. Hello, hello, hello. I know I'm looking a little crazy. I know I've seen better days. You guys have seen me look better, but this is the reality of what I look like right now, okay? I have been down in the dumps in my feelings and I'm over it. I want to be back cute. So today I'm going to be doing a hair transformation. So I'm going to be turning myself from this into this, which I'm super excited to see. Honestly, y'all just saw what I'm gonna look like before I saw. I really don't know what I'm gonna look like at the end of this. So I'm gonna be transforming this wig that I have. It was sent to me from Nadula. All the information, of course, will be in the description box. But yeah, I'm gonna be transforming this today, and hopefully it'll change me from a saddie into a baddie. And yeah, I'm really excited because I'm tired of looking the way I look. But of course, I will also have timestamps so you guys can jump to whatever y'all want to see. So yeah, right now though, I need to run to the store because I do not have all the materials that I need. So let's go do that.
I used to wonder why. Okay, you guys, so this first bleach and dye was actually a complete fail, so that is why I am fast forwarding through it super fast. But I just want to show you guys and talk to you guys about what mistakes I made the first time around. So when I was doing the watercolor bleach method, I ended up adding too much water the first time around, so it didn't take to the hair as much. And you also should use a 40 volume developer instead of a 30 or 20 when doing this, because the water kind of dilutes the solution. Also, you want to make sure that the hair really lifts before dyeing it, because I did not do that and my hair was not bright like I wanted it to be.
Okay guys, so it is the next day, and honestly, yeah, this is not what I was going for. This is very fall. I wanted bright, hot girl summer. You know, that's what I wanted. So I'm actually about to go back to the store and I am going to get some stuff to fix this hair because baby, this ain't gonna work.
Now on to the actual process where all the magic happened, you guys. This time around when I went to bleach the hair, I used a 40 volume developer like I previously mentioned, and then I used way less water. So what I did was I added just a little bit at a time, and actually you can see me in the clip go back and add some more water. I suggest doing this so that way you are not wasting bleach and you are getting a good lift on your hair. Now because I had already dyed it, you can see that the hair isn't going to lift super high, and I didn't want to continue to bleach it over and over again. It wasn't that deep since I was coloring it the same color, but this hair really did take well to the bleach, and it did not come out super dry for someone that bleached their hair twice. Also, I just want to give a little warning. One, do not do this without gloves, you guys. Red dye stains super easily. My nails were stained, and I actually stained my bathtub. Don't know how I'm gonna get that out, okay? But yeah, please like protect your surfaces and protect your hands so dye does not get everywhere. Red dye is the worst. Now to dye the hair, all I did was dip the hair a couple of times, make sure I combed the hair out so that the way the color distributed evenly, and I let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay you guys, so this is the final look. This is the hair completely colored and done. I just went ahead and installed it, and then I cut a little bit in the front, and that is all I did. I honestly didn't want to keep cutting it, so my plan was originally to cut the hair, but because I want to resell it, I didn't want to chop it up too much. But you guys, I absolutely love it. It is very different. I cannot see me wearing it out, but it is super cute. And if like you are a more bold person, go ahead baby girl. Like I wish I was as bold. Like I would maybe wear this like on a night out in a new city. It's that type of wig for me, okay? But oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love it. So thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at MaKayla Michelle. Bye.
Nothing you